Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I'd request you to please click on the subscribe button. For today's recipe, I'm going to take half kg of pork. I'm then going to take a kadai and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, I'm going to add 5 cloves, 8 peppercorn, 5 garlic cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 red chillies, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 green chillies, and then 3 finely chopped medium-sized onions. I'm then going to mix this well. I'm then going to fry this for about 4 minutes on medium flame until the onions become nice and soft. Once the onions have become nice and soft, I'm going to add about half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to it. After adding the ginger garlic paste, I'm now going to fry this for about 45 seconds more. 45 seconds, I'm now going to add 4 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Along with that, I'm going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Along with that, you can also add some salt as per taste here, while keeping in mind that you'll also have to add some salt to the pork later on. You can now mix this and fry this for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, I'm now going to add the half kg of pork. I'm going to now mix this really well with the onions. As you can see here, the spices and the onions have mixed really well with the pork. At this point of time, you can now add 5 to 6 glasses of water to it. The reason I'm adding so much water is you want the pork to boil well in the water and get cooked really well. After adding the water, I'm now going to cover it with a lid and let it cook until the pork becomes nice and soft. Here I'm going to be cooking it on medium flame. You can alternatively cook it on high flame as well. After 25 minutes, I've now checked and the pork is nice and soft. At this point of time, I'm going to add the salt as per taste. Add the salt while keeping in mind we've already added salt earlier. I'm then going to mix this really well. For 1 minute, you can now add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to it. At this point of time, you can also check for the spice, and accordingly, you can add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and that's optional. After adding the vinegar, I'm now going to let it soak into the pork. So I'm now going to switch it to low flame and then cover it with a lid and cook it for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can now remove the lid and you can add some coriander leaves to garnish it. You can then once mix it well and then switch off the flame. And your Goan pork curry is ready to be served. So if you did like this recipe, I'd request you please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.